am obsessed with this wig. Hey guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to just kind of sit down and do a Thanksgiving inspired makeup tutorial. When I first started my YouTube channel, I used to do these kinds of videos all the time. Whenever there was a holiday coming up, I would sit down and do a makeup look inspired by that holiday. If you look at my videos, you will probably find makeup tutorials for Valentine's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, St. Patrick's Day. I think I even did one here. Like, I love to just create a makeup look surrounding a holiday. My wig is going back. Okay. So I just wanted to kind of sit down and just do a makeup look inspired by the holiday, and a look that I would personally wear on Thanksgiving. I love the way that this look turned out. It's very monochromatic with the peachy tones, the brown tones, matches with like the cheeks and the lips. It's very monochromatic and I am obsessed. This look is totally up my alley, and to be quite honest, this is probably the look that I'm going to be wearing on my Thanksgiving day because it was so easy to do and I just love the outcome. I know there's like a cut crease, there's like a slight cut crease, and I know some of you guys freak out when there's a cut crease, but this one was really easy to do and you will see in the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and without further ado, let's get into this Thanksgiving inspired makeup tutorial. Okay, you guys, so I am starting with my eyebrows already done because we want to save some time, and I did prime my eyelids using a concealer. As always, I'm using my CoverGirl True Blend concealer. I really want to do like a soft peachy look for this holiday season, if you will. So I am going to start off with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is a Sigma E40 blending brush. And I'm just going to begin to put this in the crease, and this is going to be our transition shade. My voice does sound a little raspy. This past weekend, we went out to celebrate my sister's birthday on Saturday, and then I had a bachelorette party on Sunday. So my voice definitely suffered a little bit, so that's why I sound a little raspy. But it was such a good time. I definitely needed like a girls' day and like a weekend of just going out. I haven't done that in a while. I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's palette. I'm gonna go into this middle shade, which is called Foxy, and I am using a Dominique Cosmetics DS04 the crease blur brush, and I'm going to take this and I'm just going to tightly focus this right here in the crease and bring it in again towards that inner corner. I'm going to go back in with my previous blending brush and just make sure that those two shades are nice and blended in together. I'm taking that same brush, but I'm going to go into this shade right over here, which is a little bit darker. This one's a little bit more red. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to focus this right here in the outer corner. Right here, and then just bring it up towards the crease slightly, but mostly focusing it right here in this outer corner. So what is everybody doing for Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments. I love Thanksgiving. I love any excuse to just get my family together. Every year we go to Lawrence's aunt's house and we all just eat really good food and we just spend time together. And it's a really good time, so I'm really excited. And there's a couple family members that we only get to see, or not that we only get to see, but we mainly see them on Thanksgiving. So I'm excited to just, you know, catch up with everybody. It's so funny because I posted a meme on my Instagram today. It's like I'm online shopping for my outfit for La Sala, which is so true. Hispanics, we go all out. We wear like heels, jewelry, full face of makeup, and we literally just sit in our living room and do nothing. So I have been online shopping. I don't know what I'm going to be wearing yet. So I'm a little, I don't know. I feel like it's so crazy because I feel like I blinked and it was Thanksgiving. Like, it's so crazy how fast this past couple months have gone by. Like, literally, I feel like I blinked and we were in Thanksgiving. So I haven't really put any thought into what outfit I'm going to be wearing or anything like that. I have to go shopping. I also have a wedding the weekend after Thanksgiving. I have a wedding, so I need to go dress shopping for that. Funny story, this is turning into like a chatty get ready with me, but funny story, I actually ordered a dress off of ASOS. I love shopping for wedding guest dresses on ASOS, and they sent me the wrong order. So I'm dealing with that now. I think it's a sign though, because I feel like the dress that I bought off of ASOS was too summery, and it is a winter wonderland type of wedding. So I think I'm gonna get something more sparkly. But yeah, anyways, I'm getting a concealer, and I'm just going to use this to cut the crease. And I'm not gonna cut the whole entire crease. I'm only gonna cut like halfway through, and I'm also going to make this just a little bit more straight in. So I like to place this in the center and then look up and see where it goes, and then from there just carve out that crease. Then I can take my finger and just like smooth out the edge so that it's not super harsh. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with this shade right over here. I think this is called Stay Sassy. This one, the first shade. And I am going to put this in the center of the eye look. So right in the center. And kind of mixing it in with the brown from the outer corner. Again, I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and just kind of run it where those two colors meet so that everything looks nice and seamless. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the blush in the shade Melba. This is from MAC. And I'm going to put this like right next to that coral shade that we applied, just to kind of form like a nice transition. And bring it up. I'm going to go in with the KKW Brightening No. 2 powder, and I'm going to work that in the front of the eye and mix it in with that Melba shade that we applied. I really want like a nice gradient in between those colors. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the Sassy Sienna's palette, and I'm going to take the dark brown shade, and I'm going to create like a baby wing, and I'm going to apply that really close to the lash line, and I'm also going to do a little wing. Okay, so that is going to be it for the eyes for now. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the skin. So I am going to prime my skin using the Benefit Professional. I just love the way my foundation looks with this product. And my skin right now is kind of freaking out a little bit. I actually have been really bad with my skincare. I'm not even going to lie. Like my skincare is non-existent at this point, which is so bad. But I'm just so busy and so tired by the time that I'm like in bed that the thought of like getting up to like do my skincare, I know that I should, but you guys, I am so exhausted. It is currently 7:30 and I'm filming this video, so by the time that I finish this, that I take a shower, that I do dinner, I'm exhausted. So I know it's not an excuse and I should definitely work on it, but it is pretty challenging. Okay, so that is going to be the skin. So for foundation, I'm going to be mixing in two foundations, of course. I'm taking the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and I'm going to mix in a little bit of the Il Makiage After Party Foundation in 060. So I am going to quickly do this, and I did just post a video talking all about my complexion. So definitely check out that video if you want to see a more in-depth video on the steps that I take for my skin. Check out that video because I'm just gonna quickly like go through everything. I'm not gonna talk about everything in detail. So check out that video if you are curious. And I have to wet my beauty blender as always. I love the color that this foundation has and the coverage of it. Honestly, this color matches me perfect right now. See, like it's like a perfect match. All of my other foundations at the moment are a little bit too dark for me because I lost my summer tan. I'm so sad. So this fits perfect. I love this color and the coverage, everything. It's definitely a thick girl, so be aware of that. Okay, so we are going to conceal. I'm taking my CoverGirl concealer in M100. This is Golden Natural. I'm just going to put this under my eyes and I'm going to bring it down a little bit. I'm doing a little bit of cream contour, taking my KKW contour stick. I'm also going to take some of my CoverGirl concealer in the lightest shade and do the inner corner of my eyes. Went ahead and I set my face. I didn't go into too much detail. There's like powder everywhere, but I went ahead and I set my face. I didn't go into too much detail on that because like I said, I just did a full-on base routine, which I will have linked up here for you to go ahead and check it out if you would like to. So I went ahead and I just set everything into place and we can go ahead and move on now. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze. I'm going to take a little bit of that bronzer again in the brush that I used for the outer corner. And I'm just going to work this down here and really smoke it out. I'm taking my JH07 brush and I'm just going to wipe off the bake from under my eyes. I don't want to leave it there for too long. I'm going to take a little bit of the dark brown from the palette, from the Sassy Sienna's palette. And I'm just going to put this right here in the outer corner to really open up the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and take a kind of like a gold eyeliner. This is the Nude Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil. And I'm going to put this in my waterline. For blush, I'm going in with MAC's Peaches. And I'm even going to go in with a little bit of the shade that we used in the crease. So I'm just going to take a mixture and I'm just going to use that as my blush. I did put on a lot, but now I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out this bake and smooth everything over. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the Ofra Makeup Fixer and I'm going to spray this all over the face, that everything kind of melts into the skin. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter, this one, and I'm going to take that, I'm going to wet it because I want it to be nice and intense. So I'm just going to wet that and I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eye and on the tip of the nose. And a little bit on the Cupid's bow. Okay, so for the lips, I am taking MAC's Strip Down and I am just going to line my lips. I'm going to take my finger and kind of blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a super old lipstick. This is MAC's Peach Stock. And then I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite lipstick. This is the YSL #2 lipstick. Look at this. It's like all the way out. So I actually like to go in with a lip liner brush and get some of this color and apply. This is like my perfect nude. And I'm going to go in with a gloss. This is the Buxom Gloss in White Russian. Alrighty, so I am going to go ahead and apply mascara and I'm going to go in with my Alamar Lashes in Calladita. I'm going to pop on a new wig that I just picked up from Amazon, and then I will be right back to show you guys the finished result. Okay, you guys, so I did pop on the wig. Now it's not on perfect. I have to play with it a little bit more and really get comfortable with it, but I think it looks pretty good. I do have to kind of tweeze a little bit of the hairline up here, and but yeah, I really like it, and it's just so much more convenient because it takes me so long to do my makeup, and then on top of that it takes me even longer to do my hair. So the fact that I could just like pop on a wig that looks like my hair makes it perfect. And my hair is a little bit lighter, so it kind of adds like these two little front highlights, which I kind of sort of like. I'll have a link to it down below. I did get it off of Amazon and it was pretty inexpensive, so I will leave it in the description. But yeah, this is it. This is everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do decide to recreate this video on your Thanksgiving day, please don't forget to tag me. I love to see your recreations. They honestly make me so happy to see them. So please tag me so that I can see. And that is going to be it, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!